In our fast-paced world where demands constantly pull us in different directions, it's easy to lose touch with ourselves and our partners. The pressures of modern life can often overshadow the simple joys and intimate moments that truly matter. Many are turning to nature's remedies, seeking solace and solutions in the wisdom of the natural world, to rekindle intimacy and connection. They're looking for ways to reignite the spark, to rediscover the closeness that may have faded amidst the daily grind. Aromatherapy, the ancient art of using plant essences, offers a gentle yet powerful pathway to reconnect with your senses and enhance your emotional well-being. Is making a comeback as people recognize the profound impact that scent can have on our minds and bodies, as a holistic way to enhance sensuality and well-being. It's about creating an environment that fosters relaxation, reduces stress, and opens the door to deeper connection. Scents have influenced mood and desire, shaping our experiences and emotions in subtle yet significant ways. Since ancient times, with civilizations understanding the power of fragrance to heal, inspire, and arouse, with cultures like Egypt, where aromatic oils were integral to religious ceremonies, beauty rituals, and even the embalming process, and India, where Ayurveda, the ancient system of medicine, has long utilized fragrant herbs and oils to balance the body, mind, and spirit, using fragrant oils in rituals of love and healing. These practices recognize the profound connection between scent, emotion, and physical well-being. Today, we're rediscovering how these aromas interact with our brains, triggering memories, emotions, and physiological responses that can enhance intimacy, offering a natural alternative to synthetic solutions, providing a gentle and holistic approach to enhancing your love life. Essential oils invite us to slow down, to step away from the chaos and find a moment of peace and tranquility. Breathe deeply and foster presence, allowing us to fully experience the moment and connect with ourselves and our partners on a deeper level. Key ingredients for vibrant intimacy. By creating a space of mindfulness and connection, we can cultivate a more fulfilling and passionate relationship. Exploring these oils is about creating meaningful rituals, small acts of self-care and connection that can have a profound impact on your relationship, that nurture both self and partnership. It's about prioritizing your well-being and creating a shared experience that strengthens your bond. This guide will introduce you to cherished essential oils, each with its unique properties and benefits for enhancing intimacy, for enhancing mood and connection. We'll explore how these oils can help you create a more sensual and loving atmosphere. Let's discover how to use them safely and effectively, ensuring that you can enjoy the benefits of aromatherapy without any risks. To awaken your senses and deepen your experience of intimacy, get ready to embark on a fragrant journey that will transform your relationship and bring you closer together. Essential oils are much more than just pleasant fragrances. They are the concentrated essence of plants, capturing their therapeutic properties in a potent form. They represent nature's pharmacy, bottled for our well-being. These precious oils are extracted from various parts of plants, including delicate flowers, vibrant leaves, the protective bark of trees, and the deeply rooted roots that anchor them to the earth. Each source offers a unique aromatic profile and set of benefits. Unlike fatty oils, which are often used as carriers, essential oils are highly potent and aromatic. This concentration means that only a few drops are needed to experience their effects, making them an economical choice for natural wellness. They offer a direct and powerful link to the healing power of nature, allowing us to tap into the wisdom of plants for our physical and emotional health. One of the most remarkable aspects of essential oils is how they interact with our sense of smell. Our sense of smell is directly wired to the limbic system, the emotional center of the brain, bypassing the rational mind and going straight to our feelings and memories. This direct connection means that inhaling these scents can instantly shift mood, influence emotions, and even affect our level of arousal. Beyond inhalation, essential oils also work wonders through the skin, providing another avenue for their therapeutic benefits. When applied topically, their tiny molecules are readily absorbed and circulate throughout the body, interacting with various systems and promoting overall well-being. This dual action, via scent and touch, makes them incredibly versatile tools for enhancing our lives. They are powerful tools not only for relaxation and stress relief, but also for igniting passion and deepening connections with ourselves and others. However, it's crucial to remember that essential oils are potent substances and should be used with respect and knowledge. When used responsibly and with intention, These oils can profoundly enrich your emotional and sensual life, opening doors to new levels of well-being and connection. Ylang Ylang's sweet, exotic aroma is legendary for inspiring romance and relaxation. Traditionally used in wedding rituals, it soothes anxiety and fosters emotional openness, key for true intimacy. Its scent calms the mind, lifts the spirit, and encourages playful, uninhibited connection. Ylang Ylang also helps regulate heart rate and blood pressure, supporting deep physical relaxation. Choose a pure, high-quality oil and let its fragrance invite you to embrace your sensuality and deepen your bonds. Clary sage is prized for its ability to induce euphoria, relaxation, and mental clarity. Its calming, slightly floral aroma soothes nervous tension and quiets the mind, making space for intimacy to flourish. Clary sage is also known for supporting hormonal balance, which can naturally enhance desire. Its gentle, mood-lifting effects help dissolve inhibitions and foster a sense of well-being. Use it in a diffuser or massage blend to create a tranquil, inviting atmosphere for connection. Rose essential oil is the ultimate symbol of love and devotion, cherished for its exquisite heart-opening fragrance. It soothes emotional wounds, calms anxiety, and fosters self-worth, laying the foundation for deep intimacy. Rose oil's gentle action dissolves fear and insecurity, creating a safe space for vulnerability and connection. Even a single drop can transform the mood, making it perfect for romantic rituals or self-care. Use rose oil sparingly in a diffuser, bath, or massage to invite love, trust, and tenderness into your space. Using essential oils can be an incredibly enriching experience, bringing a touch of nature's pharmacy into your daily life. It's easy and rewarding when done safely, allowing you to explore a world of aromatic possibilities. Diffuse a blend of carefully selected oils to transform your environment. Consider the intoxicating aroma of Ylang Ylang, known for its calming and aphrodisiac properties. Blend it with the herbaceous notes of clary sage and the sweet floral scent of rose. This combination creates a beautiful synergy, perfect to set a romantic mood and enhance connection. For massage, which allows for direct absorption through the skin, always dilute oils in a carrier oil. A popular choice is sweet almond oil or the versatile jojoba. Both are excellent for nourishing the skin. Remember, essential oils are highly concentrated, so never apply them directly to skin without dilution. A safe and effective dilution is generally about 10 to 15 drops of essential oil per ounce of carrier oil. This ensures you receive the therapeutic benefits without risking irritation. When adding oils to a bath for a relaxing soak, be sure to mix them with a dispersant first. Whole milk works wonderfully, or even Epsom salts, which also offer muscle-relaxing benefits. This helps the oils disperse evenly in the water, helping to avoid skin irritation. You can also create a personal perfume blend by adding a few drops of your favorite essential oils to a roller bottle. Top it off with a carrier oil for easy and safe pulse point application. These simple rituals help weave the power of scent and the therapeutic properties of essential oils into your daily life, creating moments of self-care and connection. This supports not only sensuality and well-being, but also a deeper connection to yourself. Always prioritize safety by researching each oil and understanding its properties. With these guidelines in mind, you can confidently begin and enjoy the process of discovery. Safety is essential. Always dilute oils before skin use and patch test new blends. Avoid sensitive areas and consult a professional if pregnant, breastfeeding, or managing health conditions. Choose pure, therapeutic-grade oils from reputable sources for best results. Store oils safely away from children and pets. Let your intuition guide you. What feels right for one may not for another. Use essential oils as tools for intentional rituals that foster relaxation, self-love, and connection. If you have ongoing health concerns, consult a healthcare professional and let aromatherapy gently support your journey to greater vitality.